In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Kajabi for your website design. Whether you're building a brand new site or looking to give your current one a stylish update, changing the font can make a world of difference in your overall design and user experience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily transform your website's typography in Kajabi. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Kajabi's website. Open your web browser and log into your Kajabi account. If you're new to Kajabi, you may need to sign up before you can access all these tools. Logging in will bring you to your Kajabi dashboard, where you'll find a variety of options related to managing your website and business. Once you're inside your account, the next step is to choose the specific website you want to edit. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to carefully select the right one from your list. This ensures that the changes you're about to make are applied to the correct project and won't accidentally alter another site you manage. After selecting your website, look for the Design Tools option in the navigation menu. This is the gateway to customizing how your site looks and feels. Clicking on it will direct you to the area where you can adjust various design elements. Next, you'll see an option labeled Body Form. Click on this to open a menu that controls the general appearance of your site's content. This is where you can start making changes that align with your vision. Now, it's time to focus specifically on fonts. Find the option that simply says Font and click it. This section allows you to choose the typeface used throughout the body of your website. You might want to select something that conveys your brand's tone, whether that's professional, playful, modern, or classic. With the body font selected, it's equally important to address the heading fonts. Headings play a critical role in structuring your content and drawing attention to key information. Click on Heading Font to start making adjustments here. You'll be presented with a range of font options to choose from. Select the font that not only pairs well with your body font, but also stands out enough to emphasize headings without overwhelming the rest of your text. Finally, after you've made your font selections, you'll want to make sure all these changes are saved. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and give it a click. Saving your settings will apply the new typography across your site, ensuring that everything looks cohesive and intentional. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively changed the fonts on your Kajabi website, elevating its design and enhancing the experience for your visitors. Don't forget to preview your changes to see how everything comes together, and feel free to experiment until things are just right. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.